set on a landmass of 606 square metres with convenient side access to house, a boat, caravan or trailer. This sensational 4-bedroom home comprises of front lounge theatre flowing to an expansive family living area, inclusive of fine dining, games activity, and headed by a sleek chef's kitchen, complete with large sweeping bench and plenty of cupboard and servery. The spacious master boasts his and hers walk-in robes and impressive ensuite, whilst the well-proportioned 3 minor bedrooms share the main family bathroom. Host guests in style under the all-weather alfresco, along with a gigantic workshop. Be close to shopping, picturesque park, school and a variety of transport options by contacting Zarina Brody and invest in your future today.
Audio Jungle.